Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here with a businesswithtrading.com doing an S&P 500 futures market analysis for the week beginning 11th of January. And it's going to be an interesting week. It was a very interesting week last week. And last week we were really paying attention to this 1981 level and then this box down here. We see the market did hold above that, and it did start moving higher, which was actually pretty interesting. The reason that I have left this box on the chart, obviously I'm thinking that the market can go lower. That's a possibility. There's also a very good possibility that we do see support somewhere within this box, most likely in the lower region of it. So 2020 to 2010 could be a pretty decent support region. We also want to keep an eye on that 2030, 2032 to that 2020 region. So that's the top part's a possibility. The lower part is more likely. If it does break below 2010, then there's a pretty good shot that it would come down here, and I would think it would break quicker. It would break sooner rather than later if that possibility was going to work out. And there's a small chance that the market actually does come below this 1926 half region. It's not something I want to really look at right now because it's not on the very top of my radar at the moment, but it's something that I do want to pay attention to. There's also a possibility that price comes within this box, buys up, and then gets some resistance up in here, and from there it should go down here. That's the only place it really can go if that occurs. There's also a possibility, and that's why I put the green arrow in here, that the market comes down here and then just shoots off and goes above this, above 2120, and we should be good for at least 80 points on the upside. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now, just really waiting to see what's going to happen. Last week I really thought that if price started moving higher, it would actually do something a little bit and with a little bit more clarification, but just like the market's very good at, it did something, but it didn't do it with a lot of clarification. So there's still multiple scenarios on the table, which usually is the case. And that's what makes trading a whole lot of fun. It's like a detective game. I love it. I wouldn't do anything else. So anyway, that's pretty much what I'm looking at. It really did hold this level very, very well. It did not touch it. It bought up last week at 1984. 1981 is what we were really keeping an eye on. So 3 points above it, it bought up. It doesn't really mean anything yet, but I do think that this really could be a good long. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. That's my primary outlook. If it does start to kind of chop around and stall, we do want to keep an eye on this. So that's what I'm looking at. Hope you guys did enjoy this week's video. Keep the great comments coming. I definitely appreciate all the awesome feedback from everyone. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.